Hello guys, welcome back. This is the ACER Switch DM, and let me show you how to enter boot mode on this device. Hold down the power key to switch on your device, then slide to shut down and wait until it's completely switched off. Afterwards, use the combination of power key and volume up. Hold them together for a few seconds. If the device doesn't react, release and try holding power and volume up again. Release both keys as soon as the boot mode screen appears. Here you can read important information like serial number, product name, eMMC serial number, system BIOS version, and other specifications. You can choose security, set a user password, choose boot, or exit this mode. You can exit by discarding changes, saving changes, or loading setup defaults. In my case, I'll choose exit discarding changes and the device will reboot. Everything went well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up under the video.